Today I have a new laser tape measure from Elecliv. I'm not sure how the company is pronounced. So this one is a laser tape measure, like I mentioned, that will measure either your traditional or by laser. You got your power button right here. Turn it on and off. So you have a screen. You could also change your measurements. You got meters, you got inches. You can change it to different types, feet and inches. You can also change the types of measurements in here. When the tape measure is pulled out, it's also going to give you a measurement right here on the screen, making it super easy to get your measurement. So if I wanted to cut this up, we could do our traditional measuring and we can get it that way. Let's say I want to find out the distance between over here and the house. We could just hit the power button and you'll see that we have a screen here. That was just a quick measurement I did a moment ago. I'll go ahead and point it to the house. We have a dot there and it shows it was 13.22 feet. And I believe this will measure up to like 386 feet away. I don't have anything to really point at that far away. I tried pointing it towards a couple trees, but I can't see the dot to see if I'm accurately pointing towards something that will work. Well, I just did a tree over there and it says 31.59 feet. So I guess it might, but it's hard to pick something that's large enough. Let's say we want to get a little distance from the house though. I'll go ahead and point it at the house. 38.44 feet from here. All right, let's say we want to get much further from the house. Now we're at 101.44 feet from the house right here, which seems pretty close compared to prior measurements I've done at this distance. But if you want a cool tape measure that can measure either your old traditional way or with a laser, and you can get further distance with it, check out one of these. They work really well, and the price point is pretty decent for them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.